Bill of Rights, Article 3, Section 12. Any person under investigation for the commission of an offense shall have the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice. If the person cannot afford the service of the counsel, he must be provided with one. These rights cannot be waived except in writing and in the presence of court. No torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or any other means which vitiate the free will shall be used against him. Secret detention, place, solitary, incommunicado, or other similar forms of detention are prohibited. Any confession or admission obtained in violation of this or Section 17 hereof shall be inadmissible in evidence against him. The law shall provide for penal and civil sanctions for violations of this section as well as compensation to and rehabilitation of victims of torture or similar practices and their families. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua, where evidence of guilt is strong, shall before conviction be bailable by sufficient sureties or be released on recognizance as may provided by law. The right to bail shall not be impaired even released on recognizance as may be provided by law. The right to bail shall not be impaired even when the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus is suspended. Excessive bail shall not be required. Section 14. No person shall be held to answer for criminal offense without due process of law. Section 15. The privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in case of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Section 17. The person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Section 18. No person shall be detained solely by reason of his political belief and aspirations. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except as punishment for a crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. Section 19. Excessive fines shall not be imposed, nor cruel, degrading, or inhuman punishment inflicted. Neither shall the death penalty be imposed unless for compelling reasons involving heinous crimes, and the Congress hereafter provides for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of a poll tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. If an act is punished by a law and an ordinance, conviction or acquittal under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution for the same act. Section 22. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted